Hi, Karl Winkler here. In this video, I'm introducing the new IFB2.0 base station transmitter, the latest in IFB technology from Lectrosonics. Lectrosonics IFB units are in daily use all over the world on the biggest film and TV projects, broadcast studios, and sports coverage. With this next-generation device, we deliver the features that many of you have been asking for, including digital connectivity options like Dante and AES, and full remote control over USB or Ethernet. So let's get into it and look at the details of the new device. It shares the half-rack form factor of other recent Lectrosonics products, and with 2 channels per unit, fits 4 independent channels of IFB transmission into 1 RU, providing the high rack density that we know you need. The IFBT2.0 features both IFB and digital hybrid modes, making it compatible with not just the IFB R1 and IF Blue ranges, but also with any digital hybrid capable receiver. This, of course, includes the latest D2 digital receivers too. This not only unlocks flexibility for IFB applications, but also makes the IFBT2.0 the perfect transmitter for high-quality point-to-point audio, such as camera hops or feeds to remote PA speakers. There are a wide range of transmit power options from 10 milliwatts up to a massive 250 milliwatts, although the maximum power available will depend on the regulations in your region. Thanks to an innovative circulator isolator in the RF output of each channel, external signals are prevented from entering the transmitters. This means there are minimal intermodulation products allowing for the use of high transmit power even with tight frequency coordination. The IFBT2.0 also features a wide range of audio inputs. Both AES and Dante digital inputs are supported, along with a range of analog connectivity options. The combo inputs support both XLR and TRS connections at a wide range of signal levels and impedances, with DC blocking for easy interfacing with wet signals that might also carry DC bias. This allows easy and confident interfacing with external equipment in all situations. The IFBT2.0 features an easy-to-use front panel with tactile buttons and a large color display. Setup and frequency coordination are very easy to achieve thanks to the integration with the Lectrosonics Wireless Designer software. The T2.0 can be connected to Wireless Designer either via USB-C cable or via a network connection. This allows remote control of all settings, including frequency selection, RF power settings, and compatibility mode choices. Setting up an entire multi-channel rig, including multiple IFB feeds along with wireless mic channels, has never been easier. It can now be done via a single click in Wireless Designer. The IFBT2.0 is available in A1 and B1 bands, both in North America and international markets, and a C1 band that is available for international regions only, giving a combined frequency range from 470 to 691 MHz across the 3 variants. These ranges perfectly match the existing IFB R1B and IF Blue receivers. With a standard Hiroshi 4-pin DC power connector, the IFB T2.0 is the perfect solution for both studio and cart applications, making the industry standard and robust Lectrosonics IFB technology easier than ever to deploy and use. For details about pricing and availability, contact your favorite authorized Lectrosonics dealer. And of course, you're also welcome to contact us directly. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.